Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new video on this new channel. This isn't really a brand new video. This is gonna be the first video of the Lewis Tech Tips. So, this video is gonna be me showing you guys how to eject a PS4 disc from your PS4 if your PS4 somehow breaks or the disc won't eject. So yeah, and I'm gonna be trying to do this awkwardly because I'm holding the camera with one phone, with one hand. I'm gonna be doing this with this hand I am, or maybe this hand. But yeah, yeah. So the first thing you're gonna want to make sure you have is you want to have one of these kind of screws. I actually don't know what kind of screw this is, but you want to have one of these where it has four. Like one of those head things. If you can see that, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. But the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to push down here and try and take this back bit off. As you can see, you have to maybe push it over here or push it over here. As you can see, it comes right off, and then you can just if you wiggle it a little bit. Might have to do this on my other hand. Yeah, if you wiggle it a little bit, this top bit will come straight off, and then you can have access to the hard drive, which is here, a fan, or some sort of vent, and then like this weird thing. This is, you got like a motherboard here as well. Got like the mother. This is part of the motherboard. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get your screwdriver, and then undo the hard drive. So guys, this doesn't break your hard drive. This doesn't break your PS4, but if you do it too hard or too if you take off the case, the top case, if you take off that top case pretty hard, it might break it might probably dent like this bit here, which should make it. It probably just dent the light, and that's it. This is for a. This is just one. This is the PS4. I actually know what kind of PS4 this is, but this is this kind of PS4, right? I don't know what this isn't the this is a digital because it's got the disc tray here. But the next thing we're going to do is you're going to want to take out the hard drive. So this is the hard drive right here, a plain old hard drive. So we're just going to put, make sure you put it like somewhere where it won't fall or anything. So I'm just going to put it there. I am. And then the next thing, I do actually have a disc in here. So the next thing you want to find this hole right here. And you want to make sure you keep you want to put your screwdriver in there. You want to make sure you keep the screwdriver flat or straight. You want to make sure you keep this metal bit straight. You want to push it down into there. Don't push it. Make sure it goes right, so pretty much like that. And then what do? There's a couple little arrows right here. You can't see them on camera. It's saying to rotate this way. So if we start rotating this way, don't want to push too hard, but we should get a disc coming out. And here it is. I can see it, and there you go. That's the disc right there, like coming out. You can see I'm still rotating it. Disc coming out. As you can see, it is Minecraft. And if you do it the other way, you can actually put it back in. I think this actually is meant for manually ejecting. But as you can see, I can twist it, keep on twisting it, and the disc is coming straight out of the PS4 system. Like I said, the PS4 is made to do this, so it shouldn't break or anything. And let me just very quickly grab the disc, and it comes straight out, as you can see. I'm not gonna put it back in because it's gonna take a while. But yeah, it does work if you put it back in. So yeah. Now what we gotta do put the hard drive back in. Make sure there's no smudges on. Make sure there's no kind of like no smudges on it. That might like break it or anything. So what we do is just rub a little metal thing, place it. Right. Sorry guys if I'm like having my camera over here and I'm moving this back in because I'm not like I don't look through the camera. I look through my eyes. So and that should just go right in. It should just slow in there. Should cover this hole. It should, and then you can get the screw. You actually no, I don't think you do need this screw, but this screw just keeps the hard drive in place. So if we do that, get our screw, tighten it back up. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Let me guys know if there's anything else I should do. On like what does like what's inside my PS4. This is like because this isn't like a secondary system. This is actually my PS4. As you can see, it's not in this area. It's in its area. So let me guys know if I should do these kind of videos, like how to get like discs out. I'll probably do one on the PS3 and the Wii U, and a little other technology stuff. But what we're gonna do, get the case, place it back on here, and it should click, but sometimes it doesn't click for me. But if you keep pushing it in, there you go. That is how you get a PS4 disc outside. That is how you get a PS4 disc manually. Well, that is how you manually eject a PS4 disc out of your PS4 system. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. This video is probably going to be going up on the channel you're watching on, which is Lewis Tech Tips, and also my gaming channel, which is XX Bobby Gaming XX. That is my gaming channel. But yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye.